In this video, we'll explore the best tool chests on the market. We'll review their durability, organization features, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for keeping your tools secure and easily accessible. Let's start off with our best heavy-duty tool chest, the HUSKY 56 inches, 23-drawer rolling cabinet. This toolbox is built from 18-gauge steel, giving it serious durability while offering a massive 42,930 cubic inches of storage. Each drawer is rated for 100 pounds, with the deeper ones doubling up on glides for extra support. It also packs a built-in power strip with 8 outlets and 2 USB ports, plus a rechargeable magnetic LED work light, great for late-night projects. The industrial-grade casters make moving all 542 pounds of it surprisingly easy. And for security, a barrel key lock system keeps everything safe. You can find this tool chest for around $3,200. Moving into the heavy-duty service cart category, we tested the SUNEX 8035 XT 3-drawer service cart with sliding top. We used it for everything from organizing hand tools to setting up a mobile workstation. The stainless steel work surface slides open effortlessly, revealing extra storage for screwdrivers, pry bars, and more. The drawers pull out smoothly, extending fully with sturdy aluminum handle. More importantly, they stayed solid even after months of daily shop use. The protective edge bumpers do a great job absorbing accidental bumps, keeping both the cart and nearby vehicles safe. Rolling it around is easy thanks to the heavy-duty casters, and the locking mechanism keeps it secure when parked. At around $600, this cart won't disappoint for serious mechanics and DIYers alike. If you need a portable workstation that's built to last, this one is worth picking up. The SUNEX S9 toolbox is one of the most efficient storage solutions in its class. It features a reinforced stainless steel worktop with integrated side pockets, offering both durability and convenience. The 8-drawer setup includes 7 shallow drawers rated at 132 pounds each and 1 deep drawer with a 264-pound capacity. An advanced anti-tilt mechanism ensures only 1 drawer opens at a time, preventing balance issues. The toolbox also includes a spray can holder, a paper roll holder, and 4 heavy-duty casters, each capable of supporting 661 pounds. With a total weight capacity of nearly 2,000 pounds, it's built to handle serious workloads. Whether you're an entry-level technician or an experienced pro, this toolbox provides organization without wasted space. It's available for around $2,400. And when it comes to professional tool storage, the GEARWRENCH GSX 72-inch 18-drawer rolling tool cabinet is the real deal. Sure, it's big, but the 16-gauge steel construction and stainless steel worktop make it tough enough for any shop. The 18 drawers glide smoothly on ball-bearing slides, with 10 of them rated for a hefty 300 pounds. In the end, we just love how this cabinet is built. From the GSX trigger lock system to the built-in charging station with 6 outlets and 2 USB ports, it has excellent features to match its durability. The heavy-duty casters roll effortlessly, and the reinforced channels add extra stability. You can grab this high-capacity rolling tool cabinet for around $5,000. HUSKY designed the 41-inch Pro 2 combo to be a solid, mid-sized tool storage solution for professionals. While it's not the biggest chest out there, it strikes a great balance between durability and capacity. Built from 19-gauge steel, this top chest and roller cabinet combo features 15 drawers, 6 up top and 9 below, each with replaceable ball-bearing slides rated for 100 pounds. We really like the HMC high-security tubular locking system, keeping your tools safe without the hassle of a flimsy lock. The full-length aluminum lift latch drawer pulls prevent accidental openings, and the EVA foam liners help keep tools in place. The 4 5x2-inch casters handle up to 520 pounds each, making it easy to roll this unit around the shop. Priced around $3,045, this setup delivers premium quality with an exclusive limited lifetime warranty to back it up.